Start your day with a sweet sound. Today's word is mellifluous. It's an adjective that describes a pleasant sound. Other words include melodious, harmonious, musical, lyrical. So we can say in a sentence that the chorister's mellifluous voices created a sense of peace and tranquility in the church today. Mellifluous. I hope this adds a musical flair to your vocabulary. Until I come your way again, please keep upgrading or leveling up your vocabulary. See you again in my next video. Thank you so much for your time.